Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this dog grooming kit. Now this is going to be great to take care of my pets, be able to not have hair everywhere when I've got to trim them, because whenever you cut their hair, it all gets sucked in and put into this little container that you can just empty out. Now this kit is really neat because it does come with a variety of different tools to be able to use, and this is completely operated without even being plugged in. So you can use it separate, or you can push it in the bottom here, and then any hair that you get will just get sucked right in. So that is really nice as well. Just put that on, be able to move up and down the top little things. And they come with little guards for different sizes as well. I'm gonna bring you in here close so you can take a look at this really neat item and show you all of the different possibilities for it. So here is the trimmers up close. You've got your on and off button, and then you can easily move up and down your blades here. Then you have the extra guards that would just clip on if you wanted to use that to then trim your dog. You have your 6 and your 3 millimeters. Then you also have a bigger one, which is a 12 and a 9 millimeter. So I'm going to actually put on the bigger one, and we will trim up my dog. So now I've got the blade on there. You can just easily turn that on. You can see the hair right there, but then you've got it everywhere. So what this does, just pulled out this little cord here, and we will attach this on here. It just lines up right here on the lines on the bottom. And then whenever we do their hair, we just turn on the machine, and it has multiple different fans for your suction indicators and how high it goes up. So you've got your low, your medium, and your high. I mean, my dog is not freaking out about the noise, even on the high setting. So whenever we didn't want to trim the dog's hair, you can easily trim it, and it is just sucking it in there, not going anywhere. I mean, you can see the little line there of where the hair went in, and there is no hair to be found. So that is great. I mean, it's cutting it nice and even, pulling it right in there, and the dog does not seem to care at all. That is really nice. It does come with other attachments that you can easily take this off. So if you did want to, say, brush them, this is a nice needle brush, and then you've got like a knotting kind of brush. This you can actually just run over like your sofa to pick up pet hair, which is great. Get into deep spots right there with that one. Let's go ahead and we will use this one. It just connects into this piece right here, snaps into place. Then we can brush them out, and then if you have a dog that sheds, this will also pick up all of their mess. Then whenever you're all finished, you easily just turn this little knob and you can unlock the top, pull that out, and you have a ton of hair sitting in here that we just brushed for my dog. That is fantastic that it is all in here rather than all over my floor. It's got a nice little filtration system on here as well. This is a great way to take care of your pet, have everything all condensed into one area. And then they even come with a nice carrying case to be able to put all of your accessories in here and get ready for the next time you want to use it.